Hi everyone, today I will discuss about Right to Information Act in Unit 5. Right to Information Act it is mandated timely responses to citizen requests for government information. It extended to whole of India except the state of Jammu and Kashmir. This act was passed in 15 June 2005 to empower the citizen. Objective of this act to empower the citizen to secure access to the information under the control of public authority, promoter and transparency and accountability in the working of the government and make a democracy work from the people in real sense. So main objective of this act is to empower the citizen in secure to the access of information under control of public authority. Then next a definition. First, appropriate government. What is appropriate government? In relation to public authority, which is established a constitution owner own and control or substantially financed by the funds provided directly or union, a territory administration, the central government by the state government. Appropriate government in relation to the public authority, which is established, constitute, own, and control or sustainability financed by the fund provided directly or the union territory administration, the central government by the state government. Next, the Central Information Commission. It means the Central Information Commission, a constitution under subsection 1 of the section 12. A Central Information Commission, it means the Central Information Commission constituted under subsection 1 of the section 12. Central Public Information Officer. It means the Central Public Information Officer designed as a such under the subsection 1 and it includes a Central Assistant Public Information Officer designed as such under subsection 2 of the section 5. Central Public Information Officer designing as such under subsection and includes a Central Assistant Public Information Officer designed as such subsection 2 and section 5. Next, a records. It includes any documents, a manuscript and file, any microfilm, microfile, a specimen copy of a documents, any other materials, products produced by the computer or any other devices. Records it includes any documents, manuscript and file and any microfile, specimen copy of a document, any other material produced by the computer or any other device. Next, right to information. What is the right to information? It includes inspection of work, documents, records. Right to information is inspect of a work, document, records, taking notes, extract of certified copies of a documents or records, taking a certified sample of a materials, obtaining information in the form of floppies, videos, cassette or any other electrical device, whether such information is stored in a computer or in any other devices. It gives the taking a notes extract of a certified copies of a document records, taking a certificate sample of materials, it obtaining in a form of floppies, videos, cassette or any other electrical device. Whether such information is stored in the computer or any other devices. Next, a public authority. It means any authority or body or institution of the self government established or constituted by or under constitution, by any other law made by parliament, by any other made by any state legislator, any notification, issue or order made by the appropriate government, any body control or finance Financed directly or indirectly by funds provided by the appropriate government. Public authority. It means any authority or body or institute of a self government established or constituted by under the constitution, by any other law made by parliament, or any other made by a state legislation, by a notification issue or other made by the appropriate government, any other control or finance directly or indirectly by the funds provided by the appropriate government. Then information. What is the information? It means any material in any form, including records, documents, memos, emails, opinions, advice, circulars, orders, logbooks, reporters, papers, samples, models, data materials held in any electronics forms, and information relating to any private body which can be assessed by the public authority under any other law for the time being in force. Information is the materials in any form. It includes records, documents, memos, emails, opinions, advice, circulars, orders, logbooks, reports, papers, sample, models, data materials held in any electronical forms, and information relating to any private body which can be assessed by the public authority under any other law for the time being in force. Then a prescribe, it includes a prescribed by rules made under this act by the appropriate government authority. Then competent authority, it means the Chief Justice of India in case of the Supreme Court. It means a Chief Justice of India in case of a Supreme Court. The Chief Justice of a High Court in case of a High Courts. The administrator appointed under Article 239 of the Constitution. Then State Information Commission. It includes State Information Commission constituted under subsection 1 of the section 15. Then State Chief Information Commission and State Information Commission. It includes State Information Commission and State Information Commissioner appointed under subsection 3 and of a section 15. Then State Public Information Officer. It means the State Public Information Officer designed as a such under subsection and includes a State Assistant Public Information Officer designed as a such subsection 2 of the section 5. And last, third party. It means a person other than citizen making a request for information and includes authority. These are the definition for this act. Next lecture you will see the remaining part of this act. Today we will discuss about Information Right to Information Act 2005. It mandatory timely responses to citizen request for government information. It is extended to the whole of India except Jammu and Kashmir. This act was passed in 15 June 2005. Objective of this act to inform the citizen to secure access to the information under the control of public authority, promote the transparency and the accountability in the working of a government, and make our democracy work from the people in real sense. Appropriate government definition, you will see the appropriate government: Central Information Commission, Central Public Information Officer. Records means any documents, manuscript and file, any microfile, a basement copy of the document, and any other material produced by the computer or the any other device. Then right to information, public authority. Information is the material in any form, includes records, documents, memos, emails, opinions, advice, circular, orders, logbook, reporters, papers, sample, modules, Data material sales in any electronic forms and information relating to the any private body which can be accessed by the public authority under any other law for the time being in force. Then a prescribe. It prescribe is the rule made under this act by the appropriate government authority. Then competent authority. It means a Chief Justice of India in case of any Supreme Court. This Chief Justice of High Court in case of the High Court. The administrator appointed under the Article 239 of the Constitution. Then State Information Commission. It includes State Information Commission constituted under the subsection 1 of section 15. Then State Chief Information Commission and State Information Commissioner. It includes the any State Information Commission and State Information Commissioner appointed under subsection 3 of a 15. Then, State Public Information Officer. It means the State Information Officer designed as a such under subsection 1 and includes and says State Assistant Public Information Officer designed as a such under subsection 2 of a section 5. Then third party, it means a person other than citizen making a request for information and includes authority. Thank you. Next lecture we will see the remaining part of this act.